Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can contribute to a fall bloom. So right now the tree is looking for woody plants. Harvest your woody plants. They include like apple, I think, coconut, cacao, maybe pine cone, peach. There's a bunch. I'm just going to immediately feed all my plants to the harvest spirit. And right now it's okay. I got 501 with 94 plants. And as you can see, I've unlocked the parsley, and basically if you want to unlock the rest, you will need to contribute to it a certain amount of time. Like for instance, if you want the maple resin, you'll need to contribute 17 times, so make sure you have all the plants needed by the tree. And same for this one as well. If you wanted to restock, you'll need to contribute to the fall bloom to restock again. So if you want to restock it, you'll need the bloom to happen again. Yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.